Welcome back to the quiz verse. Choose your gift, Squishy Dumpling edition. One of these boxes had an amazing squishy, but one box is tricky. Can you avoid the trap and make the best choices? 35 questions, 8 seconds time. Before we begin, please subscribe to quiz verse. Are you ready? Let's get start the quiz. Choose one of these 3 Squishy Dumpling box. So much suspense. Time to decide. Hope you didn't get the crumbling sand test. Choose your McDonald's Squishy. Watch out for the tricky squishy. Choose your box. Oh no, one of these boxes was empty. Let's move to the next box. Feeling lucky with this one? Good choice. Choose your Barbie Squishy. One, two, or three. Let's see what inside the next one. Ready for the next round? That was a risky. Choose your next dumpling. Good luck! Wow! Next dumpling box. Can you guess what's inside? Choose your gift. What will you choose this time? Let's see what's inside this time. Choose your fire squishy. Are you sure? Next challenge. Not bad. It all Watch out for the tricky squishy. Let's make another choice. Be brave, you have to choose. You are lucky. Choose your gift. What will you choose this time? Choose your McDonald's Squishy. Nice job! What will you choose this time? Did you expect that? Don't pick the wrong box. Did you get lucky? Choose your gift. The suspense is real. Choose your Mario Squishy. That was unexpected. Ready for the next round? What will you choose this time? Did you get lucky? Let's move to the next one. Feeling lucky. Next dumpling box. Open the next box. Final round, choose your box. Let's move to the next one. Think carefully. Choose your fire box. Next, Squishy Dumpling. Here we go again. Next, Squishy. Wow, good choice. Let's move to next one. Open the next box. Here we go again. Here we go again. Think for carefully. Time for a new challenge. Pick your final challenge. How many gifts did you get right? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this quiz. with your friends. Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next quiz verse challenge.